Hello everyone, I will introduce the small steel 13X model excavator produced by our. What about this car? The overall width is 90. The excavation depth of the whole vehicle can. What is the maximum height of the X can reach this 2 meters ba? What about the 13X? What about the engine? It's a supercharged engine from the copy. At the same time, it increases the amount of oil and the amount of fuel in the working time of the whole vehicle can. At the same time, the tail has a counterweight of some. The weight of the whole machine is heavy. It's not easy to tilt your. Our 13X excavator is equipped with a handle consistent with the operation logic. Overall, it is more comfort. At the same, all 13X excavators are equipped with the function of boom side swing. There are no dead ends when. What about our E34 with an upper arm and an inverted cylinder? Not only is it more beautiful, and when you operate it, not easy to damage. Dig deeper. The distance is. This car is suitable for garden orchard, indoor crushing and other narrow space. If you need this excavator, the boss can find out.